Are you ready to take full control over your HubSpot website's look and feel without having to touch a line of code? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to structure and customize template layouts in HubSpot using their powerful drag and drop editor. By the end of this video, you'll know how to design responsive templates, organize sections and columns, and personalize modules like a pro, giving you the freedom to create pages that fit your brand perfectly. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access the Design Manager. In your HubSpot dashboard, head over to the Content dropdown in the main navigation, then choose Design Manager. Think of the Design Manager as your creative studio. This is where all your templates and design assets live. Once inside, you can open an existing drag and drop template or start fresh. To begin a new template, click File in the top left, select New File, then choose Drag and Drop. This editor gives you a visual canvas, so no need to stress about custom code or HTML tags. Now we're ready to build out the template by adding modules, the building blocks of your page. Over on the right, you'll see the Inspector panel. Click the plus Add tab, and you'll find a library of pre-made modules like rich text for body content, image for photos, form for gathering leads, and header for, you guessed it, the top section of your page. Just drag any module into the layout editor on the left and place it wherever you want. It might take a moment for the layout to snap the module in place, so don't worry if it needs a little wiggling. Structuring your layout is where you make the page truly yours. Want columns? Drag one module on top of another. HubSpot will automatically create a column layout, and you can tweak the widths simply by grabbing the divider between columns and sliding it left or right. For horizontal sections, say a distinct area for testimonials or a footer, just drag a new module or even a horizontal spacer into the editor. Imagine it like stacking Lego bricks to build the structure you need. Here's a quick tip. If your team needs the flexibility to move modules around later, use the flexible column option. This allows your content creators to add, remove, or reorder modules at the page level right in the content editor, so you're not locked into a static design. Customization is where the magic happens. Click on any module in your layout to unlock its specific options over in the Inspector panel. You can change the default content, for example, swap out placeholder text, upload brand images, or pick a different form for lead capture. You'll also find styling controls, adjust colors, set padding and margins to get the spacing just right, or tweak how items are aligned. And if you have key elements like headers or footers that need to look the same across multiple pages, consider converting your module into a global module. You'll know it's global by the green border, and any change you make will update everywhere that module's used. It's a big time saver. No more hunting through every template to make a change. When you're ready for site-wide consistency, click the Settings tab at the top of the Inspector. Just make sure you don't have a module selected. Here's where you can link a custom CSS style sheet or add HTML to the or just before the tag for things like tracking scripts or meta tags. Think of this like setting a dress code for your entire website, so every page follows the same styling rules. Once you're happy with your layout and customizations, hit Publish Changes in the top right. This makes the template available for you and your team to use when building out new pages. Don't worry if it takes a minute to process. HubSpot will handle all the behind-the-scenes parts, and that's it. You've just learned how to structure and customize template layouts in HubSpot's drag and drop editor, opening up a world of design possibilities without the headache of coding. If you found this walkthrough helpful, tap the like button below. Leave me a comment with any questions or challenges you run into, and don't forget to subscribe for more pro-level HubSpot tutorials. Happy designing!